Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden.
I love to see the light on the garden, the morning light, the freshness of the light on the garden. This is my harvest. It's tomatoes, cucumbers, and now I can add lettuce. Look at that lettuce. So I can make a really delicious fresh salad. And my butternut squash. Hibiscus is looking good. Pinky hibiscus is looking great even from a distance. Yes. Nature is so bountiful and so giving to us, and it's just a matter of us taking the time to harvest and to respect nature. Such a wonderful thing. You see the garden? Yes. And
For beautiful garden videos, like and subscribe to Catherine's Garden. Thank you.
like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and share with me, how is your garden growing? Make sure that you enjoy it and have a great day.